Welcome to our channel. Today we are doing a full, honest review of a tool called Hooked AI. And if you have ever struggled to get your videos seen, watched, or clicked on social media, then you need to stick around for every single second of this video, because what we are about to show you could completely change the way you create content forever. We're going to break down exactly what Hooked AI is, walk you through all of its powerful features, show you step by step how it actually works, go over the incredible bonuses you get when you join today, and then talk about the pricing so you can make a fully informed decision. Before we get into it, if you find this video helpful, and we promise you will, please hit the like button right now, share this video with a friend who needs to grow their social media presence, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a review like this one. We are always covering the best tools in the digital and marketing space, and we do not want you missing out. And one more thing, the link to Hooked AI is right there in the description below. You can check it out at any point during or after this video. All the details, the special offer, and everything we talk about today is waiting for you at that link. Now let us dive in. So what exactly is Hooked AI? Hooked AI is the world's first AI hook-first video system, and it is specifically built to turn ordinary content into traffic-pulling videos that get more views, more clicks, and more engagement across platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here is the problem that Hooked AI was designed to solve. Most people create videos and post them, only to get ignored. The content might be good, the offer might be great, the product might be amazing, but if the first few seconds of your video do not stop someone from scrolling, none of that matters. The video just disappears into the feed. People scroll right past it, and that means no traffic, no leads, and no sales. This is where Hooked AI comes in. It is built around one core principle. The hook is everything. A hook is the opening of your video, the very first moment that either grabs someone's attention or loses it forever. And Hooked AI has cracked the code on what makes hooks actually work. Viral hooks are not random. They follow very specific psychological patterns. Things like curiosity gaps, open loops, unexpected reveals, and pattern interrupts. These are the mechanics that make people stop scrolling and keep watching. And Hooked AI has built an entire system around these proven patterns so that every video you create is engineered to grab attention from the very first frame. It is not just a video editor. It is not just a template tool. It is a complete end-to-end system that takes your idea, your product, or your offer and turns it into a scroll-stopping, traffic-pulling short-form video that the algorithm wants to push to more people. And it does all of that in 3 simple steps, which we will walk through in just a moment. Whether you're a local business owner, an e-commerce brand, a course creator, a social media agency, a coach, a freelancer, or even a complete beginner, Hooked AI was built for you. It requires no editing skills, no camera equipment, no actors, and no video production experience whatsoever. Now let's talk about the features, because this is where things get really exciting. The first major feature is the Viral Hook Studio. This is the core of the entire platform. It lets you create scroll-stopping hook videos by combining proven hook clips with your own content in one simple, streamlined workflow. You pick a hook, you add your content, and Hooked AI merges them together into one clean, professional, ready-to-publish short video. Next is text-to-hook creation. All you have to do is type your idea, your offer, your concept, your niche, and Hooked AI transforms it into a ready-to-use hook video built for short-form attention. No scripting, no planning, just type and create. Then there is image-to-hook creation. You can upload any image, and Hooked AI will turn it into a powerful hook scene that gives your content a much stronger opening. This is incredibly useful for product-based businesses and local brands that already have photos of their work. Hooked AI also gives you a custom hook prompt box, which lets you guide the hook creation process with your own idea, angle, or concept. This way, the final result feels specific to your brand and your offer rather than something generic. One of the most practical features is the 4-second and 8-second hook options. You can choose between a short, punchy 4-second intro or a slightly longer 8-second build, both optimized for the fast-scrolling behavior of today's social media audiences. There are also cinematic camera motion presets built right into the platform. These add stronger visual movement and a more polished, professional look to your hook scenes without any manual editing required. The built-in content video generator means you do not even need your own footage. Just enter your business name, describe your offer, and Hooked AI generates the main content clip that follows the hook, all inside the same tool. If you do have your own video, you can simply upload it using the Upload Your Own Content Video feature. Once your hook and your content clip are ready, the hook plus content video merger combines them into one smooth, traffic-ready video in just a few clicks. No separate editing software needed. Hooked AI also includes over 100 proven hook templates with millions of views already behind them. These are battle-tested, real-world templates that are built around proven hook styles, including curiosity hooks, pattern interrupt hooks, suspense build hooks, and authority and shock hooks. You also get Facebook and Instagram post scheduling built right inside the platform. Once your video is done, you can publish it immediately or schedule it to go live at the perfect time, all without ever leaving the app. Every month, you receive 1,000 video credits, giving you a steady stream of hook-driven content to post consistently and stay visible in front of your audience. And perhaps one of the best features of all, Hooked AI includes a full commercial license at no extra charge. That means you can use this tool to create videos for your clients, charge whatever you want for those videos, and keep 100% of the profits. No royalties, no revenue shares, no restrictions. You can even use it for your own business and client work at the same time. So now that you know what Hooked AI can do, let us talk about exactly how it works, because this might be the simplest 3-step process you have ever seen. Step 1 is to pick a hook. You browse the proven hook templates. Choose the style that fits your content, whether that is curiosity, suspense, shock, or authority, and add your content idea or concept to guide the creation. Hooked AI handles the rest. Step 2 is to add your content video. You can either upload your own product or service video, or you can let Hooked AI generate the content for you from scratch. All you need to do is enter your business name and describe your offer. The AI creates the second half of the video in minutes. Step 3 is to publish and get seen. Once your hook video is complete, Hooked AI auto-formats it for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram. It writes your caption, it adds your hashtags, and it lets you post directly, all without leaving the app. That is it. 3 steps. Hook, content, publish. And what happens next is where the magic begins. When your hook works, people stop scrolling. They watch longer than usual. The platform algorithm notices the higher watch time and stronger engagement, and it starts showing your video to more people. Your content begins reaching audiences outside of your usual followers. More people click through, follow your page, visit your link, and message you. And that attention starts converting into revenue. This is what Hooked AI calls the $0 distribution engine. And it is the difference between content that gets buried and content that the algorithm pushes for free. Now let us talk about the bonuses. And these are genuinely impressive. When you get access to Hooked AI today, you also receive 3 mega bonus apps completely free, each with a real value of $497. Mega bonus app number 1 is the Hook Generator. While Hooked AI Studio helps you assemble your final video, the Hook Generator lets you create brand new hooks from scratch, based on your image, your idea, your niche, and your message. You pick a hook style, add your image or concept, and generate a fresh hook video that you can then drop straight into the Hook Studio to build your final video. This gives you endless original hooks rather than relying on the same clips repeatedly. Mega bonus app number 2 is Imagine Studio. This is a game changer for anyone who has ever experienced AI video going completely off script, where the person looks wrong, the background is weird, and your product is nowhere to be seen. Imagine Studio fixes that permanently. It lets you build the exact starting scene you want before generating your video. You choose your business type, select a model that represents your brand, upload a photo of your actual product, and lock in the perfect shot. Then you animate it into your hook video. And because your starting frame is exactly how you want it, your final AI video stays completely on brand every single time. Mega bonus app number 3 is the Social Media Manager. Creating a great video is only half the job. The real results come when your content actually gets posted, seen, and clicked. The Social Media Manager is built right inside Hooked AI. The moment your hook video is ready, you can send it straight to Instagram and Facebook, get an AI-written caption, add hashtags, and either publish instantly or schedule it ahead of time, turning every single video into a real traffic and sales opportunity without ever needing a separate posting tool. Together, these 3 bonus apps are valued at nearly $1,500, and they are yours completely free when you join today. Now, let us talk about pricing, and this is where things get really interesting. Hooked AI is currently available in 2 options, and both are one-time payments with no monthly fees whatsoever. The first option is the Hooked AI commercial offer, which comes in at just $37 as a one-time payment. No recurring billing. You pay once, and you get full, ongoing access to the platform along with all 3 bonus apps and free future updates. And you can use the coupon code SPECIAL10 at checkout to get an additional 10% off. The second option is the Hooked AI Bundle, which is a one-time payment of $318. This bundle includes everything in the commercial offer plus a massive stack of additional upgrades. The Pro Unlimited plan with 2,500 credits per month, the Traffic Hijacker Suite, the Video Studio Pro, the Music and Audio Suite, the Agency Edition, and a collection of powerful bonus apps including ThinkHub's AI, Bundlify AI, AI Review Studio, Vidental AI, ProBook AI, Pro Designer, WebFramer, FlowMotion, and more. If you want the complete toolkit, the bundle is absolutely the best value. Use coupon code SPECIAL50 to take $50 off the bundle price. The creators are very clear that these one-time prices are launch offers only. Very soon, Hooked AI will be moving to a $97 per month subscription model. So if you're watching this video during the launch window, you have a real opportunity to lock in permanent access at a fraction of what it will eventually cost. And here is the best part. Hooked AI comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with the results, you simply email the support team within 30 days and you receive a full refund. No questions, no hoops, no friction. You either love the results or you get every penny back. The risk is completely on them, not on you. And that is a complete breakdown of Hooked AI, the AI tool that turns any idea into a viral video. To summarize everything, Hooked AI is an AI-powered hook-first video creation platform that helps you create scroll-stopping short-form videos in 3 simple steps, with built-in templates, a content generator, social media scheduling, 3 powerful bonus apps, a full commercial license, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, all for a one-time payment that is not going to be available much longer. If you're serious about getting more views, more traffic, more leads, and more sales from your content, without spending thousands on ads or video production, this is worth trying. And with the money-back guarantee, there's truly no risk in giving a shot. The link to get instant access to Hooked AI is right there in the description below. Go check it out, review the full details, and if it feels like the right fit, lock in your access before the one-time price disappears. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out and helps more people find honest reviews like this one. Drop a comment below and let us know what you thought, what questions you have, or what tools you would like us to review next. Share this video with someone who's trying to grow on social media, and make sure you are subscribed so you never miss a video from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.